Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a resin crescent moon with this gorgeous Passion Galaxy glitter from Laura's Art Corner and this fun etched crescent moon mold that I picked up at Michael's. I'll link it down below. It's really awesome and I was really excited to give it a try. I'm using my Total Boat tabletop epoxy, just filling up the mold. I added about, I would say, 2 big spoonfuls of glitter to my resin, hitting it with my heat gun to pop bubbles, and that's it. I'm going to cover it up with an upside down storage container, let it dry for 24 hours, and here we are ready to demold it. I just love this glitter. It's super pretty and sparkly. I did mix up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin, I will link my previous crescent moon tutorial down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. I show you step by step how to mix your resin. And now I'm going to show you guys my new favorite way to fill in the etched designs on my resin pieces. I'm taking some acrylic paint that was Amsterdam titanium white, and this is just a flat paintbrush, and I'm really trying to scrub that paint into the etched portions of the mold. And I did accidentally spill a little on the side there, so I cleaned that off, but just make sure you get it on the top only, so it's a little bit less for you to clean up if you end up getting it on the sides. So now I'm going to take this Squeege, and I'm just doing this right after I scrub that paint in. I'm not letting it dry at all. I'm taking this Squeege I got off Amazon. It was $5, and I'm just swiping that over the top of the piece. And you can see the paint comes right off. You want to make sure you wipe the squeegee off on a paper towel before you go in and do another swipe over your piece. But here's how it turned out. And after this paint is all dry, before I do my top coat, I am going to just take some isopropyl alcohol on a paper towel and go over it once, just to make sure it's all the way clean before I do my top coat. So I did paint the back of this piece with some liquid latex, which is what you're seeing now. Liquid latex is great to use instead of tape, especially if your projects are not perfectly square or round. Just paint the liquid latex on the back and then let it dry overnight. I go in and do my clear resin top coat, and this is the next day. The liquid latex peels right off the back along with any resin drips. Super simple and easy. I love using liquid latex for this. You could also use Elmer's white glue. PVA glue would work. The only thing with PVA glue is it does take longer to dry than the liquid latex. The liquid latex dries a lot faster than the glue, so it's up to you. You could use either one. I have tutorials showing step by step how to do the glue and the liquid latex that I made previously on my channel. If you haven't seen those videos, please go check them out. I'll link them down below in the description box, and I'll leave them at the end card screen of this video. Just click the picture and you can take it. You can go straight to the video and check it out. So here's how the piece turned out. The top coat just really gives it an extra sparkle. Love the Passion Galaxy glitter. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Bye guys.